Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to verify TikTok business account. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So first, let's go to our TikTok app. Then tap this icon to open your profile page. After that, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. When you see these options, tap on Account. Then, if you haven't switched your account to business, you can tap on Switch to Business Account first. After that, you just have to tap on Next until you see this. When you're here, you just have to choose a category. It doesn't matter which category you choose. Then tap on Next. After that, you can add your email address here. And as simple as that, you have now successfully set your account to business. Now, to get your account verified, just go back to your profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner again, select Settings and Privacy. This time, you have to scroll all the way down and tap on Report the Problem. Next, expand the Account and Profile option, and then choose Profile Page. And then tap on Other here. Next, just tap on No here. And then tap on Need More Help. Once you're on the TikTok help desk, send a Submit a Problem message. When they reply, send another message and tell them that you need verification for your account. After that, they will send you a message like this. All you have to do is to tap on the blue text here that says Our Online Form. Then you will just have to fill this out and attach some documents. When you're done, just tap on Submit. They will review your verification request and you can monitor the status of your business verification in Ads Manager. If you're approved, your account will be labeled as verified. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.